Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out with my son Kevin, out in somewhere in Arizona.
Middle of nowhere.
Middle of nowhere, Arizona. Well, actually we're not too far, I don't think, from Tombstone out in here.
The road is starting to look a lot more maintained.
The road is a lot better than the last thing we went through, man. That was rough and stickers. I mean, it was just relentless. I never thought it was never going to end.
Yeah, you can tell the farmer drives up and down this road about every day.
Yeah, this is a lot better. I like it a lot.
More like a dirt road than a trail.
Yeah. Ooh, this is nice. I like the rough, but I'd like to get out of the rough once in a while too.
Yeah,
you get out of
the rough for like what feels like 12 miles.
Yeah, you get, man, that was a long rough road, road through there, a trail, and then when you get out, you're like relief. I can relax. I mean, I can take my hand off the bar. Check it out. Back there, you dang sure didn't.
Oh yeah.
You better be fast if you do, because you're gonna be on your head. This is a nice little trail here, road.
It is.
I like it. It's
Probably
pretty bad when
on a farmhouse here soon or something. I guarantee you.
It's pretty bad when you get to this gravel, which is loose, and you're kind of wallowing around, and you think this is really nice.
Yeah.
Because it's so dang much smoother than that stuff we just went through. It's crazy. Oh man, the weather's beautiful. I don't know what the temperature is now. Probably close to 70, 65 at least.
About 3 o'clock, and it said by 3 o'clock it's supposed to hit about 67, so probably right around there.
Close. Yeah, see that loose rock? I seen you wallowing around there like an old pig. It's sketchy stuff. We are at 5,358 feet. So we're in the desert, but we're high desert. It's not like up Phoenix and Tucson down in that a lot lower elevation up that way. All this desert down here is really actually pretty high. Definitely not like Missouri. 1,400 feet was the highest place in Berry County. Look at all them gravel roads to the left. Is that where we're going? Look at that.
Oh, dang.
It may be. There's a gate up here.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
I can put my mirrors back out. What in the world? I forgot I had mirrors.
I see a car up there. It's reflecting up there.
Oh, I see it, yeah. I hope it's a Jeep if it's coming out here. Por favor.
Why is Spanish on top?
Yeah, why is Spanish on top and English is on the bottom? Where are we at? Like Spanish is number one. Number one. Well, you barely give yourself room.
Early.
A while back, we opened the gate. He couldn't. I had to go ride his bike through because he parked his bike right up against the gate. I think he thought the gate opened the other direction.
Well, most of them open up both ways.
Yeah.
I mean, this one obviously does. You can see the trail from it.
Some of them will. If you don't, then you pull up too close to it. Yeah. Por favor. How was that hook? Oh, I see the hook now. Never mind. The hook. There we go. How much gas you got?
Half tank.
Let's see where I'm at. Full tank. It's not full. I've used just as much gas as you, but I've just got twice as much.
Yeah.
But I was still using just as much as you. I think that vehicle's coming this way.
You got a full of my tank.
Right on. Praise the Lord, we made it out of that nasty stuff. In the video before this last one, we went through hell and back, I called it.
Oh, yeah.
That was the most ridiculous stickered mess. Rocks and stickers and holy mackerel patties. It was rough. In the creek bed. This is actually relaxing.
Yeah, I know.
I can actually ride and relax on this stuff. You gotta watch the gravel a little bit, but it's nothing like that other stuff. That car's coming this way, I think. Unless there's a T up here. Could be.
Either tea or coffee or something.
Tea or coffee? Yeah, either one. I'd rather have coffee. I don't know. I drink more tea than I do coffee. By far.
Well, that gate just swung wide open. It's broke.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm glad it's open. You missed the road. What are you doing? I went straight through there. We didn't have to, por favor.
Yep, car up.
There it is. Can you believe they drive that thing out here? It says Jeep, I guess, so. I guess.
The least Jeep of all Jeeps.
I mean, on this road here, you know, I can see that. Hopefully he ain't going all the way through that. Surely not.
Yeah, I doubt it. He's probably the farmer who comes down here.
Probably.
His dress attire almost looks like it.
Probably so. He probably one that owns this land. Well, he didn't shoot us. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
When you don't get shot, it always seems like a better day.
He didn't pull out a Glock and say, "What you doing on my block, fool?"
Yeah. he stopped over there. See him? Oh, now he took off. Watch the stickers in the middle. Oh, this is a smooth road. There's a camp spot.
It's a nice smooth road.
Well, we're going to find another way in here. There's probably roads off this side, too, going off different places, too. Who knows?
Probably.
Because they have no clue, guys, where we're going to come out. No clue.
This is all just a guess. We were told about the road if we came here, and now we're going.
Yeah, Brandon said, turn on this. Looks like a four-wheeler trail.
Yep,
and we did.
One that turns, that turns off onto the road. Oh, these both do.
Oh, wow. Well, it shows.
Turning to the right.
Yeah, well, it shows. We can go left and just see for a little bit, because it shows it dead ends right down here.
Probably dead ends of this dude's house.
On the map.
Oh, yeah, there's a vehicle and a building out there. It's probably that dude's property.
That's what it is, yeah.
Yeah, he's stopping to probably see where we're going.
Probably. Are they going? That's what he's doing. He's looking to see if we're going to his house.
Yeah.
Exactly what he's doing, I bet you. No, we don't care about your house, dude. What he's waiting for. See which way we go. Yeah, you know that's what he was doing. He was just checking to see which way he was going, because I bet you he lives up there.
Yeah, I bet.
I can't see it.
Especially when she said it was a dead end. I was like, there's got to be a farmhouse or something around here. And I saw the vehicle and building, and I was like, yep.
Well, this here says East Deer Run ahead.
Looks like there's a road beside the road up there. You see that?
Oh, it is. I don't know, but this is some premium road here. This is awesome.
Okay, that's not a road, that's a rut. That's a ditch.
Well, it's a road if you want to do it. We've been in stuff like that.
Yeah.
There's a trail out there. So I was saying, I bet there's some off of this side too.
There's a bit of roads coming back up onto here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see it going across over there to the right. It goes across that little hilltop.
And there's another road right here.
Yep. And I can see where it goes. I look up through there.
Oh, yeah.
Goes back toward the mountains. Sweet. Have to mark where this comes in at, and then we'll know another way back into some trails to check out later. I should have marked that one back up there, HELL or something.
L number 2.
So I'd know, well, I don't know if I want to go through that stickered mess again.
I was leaning right over the road.
Duck, I actually had to duck on my side. May not have had to, but I wasn't taking a chance.
I knew I didn't have to. Look how pointy that mountain is out there.
Oh, wow. It's like pointed, no doubt. That's cool.
That sucker's probably steep at the top.
Yeah, this is a little faster pace than that last road because we're doing 32, 33 mile an hour compared to back there on that rough mess. We going what, 3, 4 mile an hour at the most? Probably.
I'm just taking the roads that feels like it's gonna go to Tombstone. Because Tombstone's right over there. And the more we go this way, I feel like the closer we are, you know? Either that and taking this way, the closer we're going to be to that other road that we come off of. Because it could lead to it.
Don't show it does. Oh, I know where it goes. It goes that Gleason Road, I bet you. Where we're going to come out at. I've been on it before. It's a paved road. And I think when we turn on it to the right, we'll go into Tombstone. The road is so smooth, I can hear my tires howling.
Yeah, I can too.
Well, we have made it to Tombstone. We made one heck of a big loop today. Several videos, because it's been pretty much, well, we left at 11 o'clock, 3:30 now, so pretty good loop out through there.
Quite a ways.
We've been through some nice stuff. We've been through some extremely rough stuff. This is a lot smoother than them rocks we was on back there. You're probably taking that Harley out there right now through that trail.
Probably so.
Big city.
What the hell? My bike just died.
What?
Bike just died.
It died?
Hold on. It's because I was reaching over and because I was trying to like adjust my mirror and I hit my kill switch.
Oh no.
Stupid.
Well, sometimes we have them brain smarts. A brain sneeze.
Well, at least I have my mirror adjusted now.
That's all that matters. Don't matter if you kill your engine as long as you get your mirror adjusted. Be rear-ended. Right down through here, you see the mountains up ahead. Pachuca Mountains. We'll be passing up the turn.
Oh.
Have to pass up my turn. Check out that cool school bus.
Too cool for school.
School. Sassy and Billy Boots. I don't know if I want Sassy Boots, maybe Billy Boots.
Yeah.
And now we're going to be leaving Tombstone.
Look at that. Is that an old Mustang? It is.
Do what?
That old
Kill
Mustang.
Oh, I think you killed your engine again. Okay. We're out of here. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.